Well, hi, this is the dead plant. A very unfortunate plant to have such a nickname. It's not a dead plant at all. And in fact, if you look closely at this, it's called Euphorbia platyclada, and it's from Madagascar. It's actually got greenish stems, this variety, and it's very definitely alive. The flowers on this plant are extremely small indeed, and I've looked carefully for flowers on this, and there aren't any. But anyway, there's another reason why this could be called the dead plant. It's been in transit in the post from Amazon for 7 full days in a sealed container. So it's been in the dark for 7 days, and I just wonder how it will survive this. I'm sure it will, but maybe it's changed colour in the dark. I don't know. But it's still, nonetheless, a very interesting plant, and I collect interesting plants, and this one certainly is. So this is Euphorbia platyclada from Madagascar, the so-called dead plant. The next plant I want to show you is Euphorbia stellata, and this is the article. It's a page article on this plant in this rather wonderful book, Field Guide to the Succulent Euphorbias of South Africa, and it's got a very interesting cordyciform euphorbia on the front. And in fact, I've just bought a Euphorbia stellata, which is also a cordyciform, this morning. Hence my wanting to talk to you about it. This plant, you can see the cordex, it's got a big turnip-like root and it's got beautifully marked branches which sprout from the top of this root. In the wild in South Africa, in the very south of South Africa, the turnip-shaped root grows underneath the soil. Here, in this country, in cultivation, we tend to plant it with the root above the soil and let the branches develop on top. I picked this particular plant because it's obviously just started growing. You can see that from the yellow tips to the stems. And hopefully it will have yellow flowers when it comes to blooming. Just to let you know, I bought this plant from Notcut's Garden Centre at the Wheatcroft roundabout in South Nottingham. And if you're interested in this plant, and I think many people would be, it's a curiosity. There are about half a dozen others there for sale at about £10.99, exactly £10.99. And so I would recommend this plant to you. Euphorbias are interesting plants. There are about 1,000 to 500 succulent species, a lot of succulent species. You know I'm interested in euphorbias from the other videos that I post. So hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like and subscribe, and I'll show another video again in the near future.